question number 5 and 6. So here first question number 5 is, here the data of one residential colony is given, and in that number of people watching sports and people playing sports. Okay, so that information is given. Watching cricket is 1240 and participating cricket is 620. Means this many people are watching and this many people are interested to participate in cricket. 470 people watching basketball and from that 320 are participating. Swimming, 510 people are like to watch swimming and 320 people like to participate in swimming. 430 people like to play hockey, watch hockey, and 250 people like to play hockey. Athletics, 250 like watching athletics game and 105 like to participate in athletic games. So here you can see that the smallest value is 105 and largest value is 1240. So minimum value is 105, maximum is 1240. Means you need to represent data from 105 to 1240. So here you need to select the scale. So let's select the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 100. 1 centimeter or 1 unit is equal to 100. Okay, it means one line in a box. Will represent 20 people, 40, 60 and 80 up to 100. So this way you can select the scale. So let's start the drawing. So in a graph we will draw a vertical line and one horizontal line. Vertical line represent y-axis, horizontal line represent x-axis. On horizontal line we are representing game, name of game, and on vertical line we are representing number of people. Now scale. Scale will be on y-axis 1 unit is equal to 100 people. Now here we need to represent the number of people that are playing and number of people that are watching. So we will take a different bar. So let's simple bar represent watching and bar with the line represent participating. Okay, so now first cricket is watched by one. So here we will give the name for first 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1200, 1100 and 1200. 1000 So as I told you, one line represents 20 people. So first, cricket is watched by 1240. So 1200 is here. Then 100, 1220, 1240. So it means you need to take two lines after 1200. So this will be bad for people watching cricket. And participating is 620. So from 600 it is here and you need to take one line because one line represents 20 people. So after 600 you need to take one line, that is people watching cricket. Now take one space and give the name. It is basketball. So here in basketball 470 people are watching. So So after 400, 420, 440, 460 and one half line is there that represents 470. Then 320 participating. So after 300, 320 means one line. Now next is swimming. Take one space and swimming. So in swimming 510 are watching. So 500 means 500 is here and 510 means half line. So here you need to draw this bar. And 320 are participating. So after 300 again one line, that is represent 320 because each line represents 20. Now next is hockey. Hockey is watched by 430. So 400 is here and after 400 there is one line that represents 420 and half line represents 430. So we will draw a graph. Then 250. So 250 means after 200 one line 220, second line 240 and half line represents 250. So this is a graph for swimming, hockey and then athletic. So in athletic 250 people are watching. So we will draw a graph for athletic 250 and 105. So after 100 we will take small distance. After 100 we will take small distance to represent 105. So this is graph of question number 5. Now here questions are given, that is draw a double bar graph and what do you infer from the bar graph. So from the bar graph what we can infer, what information we get. You can see that the cricket is liked most from the graph and athletic is least liked by the people. It is most liked by the people, that is cricket, and athletic is least liked by the people. That information we get from the graph. Second question is given, which sport is most popular. So whatever height of the graph is larger will most popular. So cricket is the most popular game. And then which is the more preferred, watching or participating. Now in the bar graph you can see that the height of watching is more than the height of participating. So which one is more preferred? Watching is more preferred in a bar graph. So what do you infer from the graph? We infer that cricket is most popular or most, and athletic is least popular game. Now next, which sport is most popular? Cricket is most popular game. Now third question, which is more preferred, watching or participating? As we get the information from the bar graph that the height of watching is more, so we can write watching is more preferred. Now question number 6 is given. Take the minimum and maximum temperature of cities and plot the graph. This table is given in your textbook in table 3.1 in the starting of your chapter. So temperature Ahmedabad maximum is 38 degrees Celsius and minimum is 29 degrees Celsius. Amritsar maximum is 37 degrees Celsius, minimum is 26 degrees Celsius. Bangalore 28 degrees Celsius maximum, 21 degrees Celsius minimum. Chennai 36 degrees Celsius maximum, 27 degrees Celsius minimum. Delhi 38 degrees Celsius maximum, 28 degrees Celsius minimum. Jaipur 39 degrees Celsius maximum, 29 degrees Celsius minimum. Jammu 41 degrees Celsius maximum, 26 degrees Celsius minimum. Mumbai 32 degrees Celsius maximum and 27 degrees Celsius minimum. So now let's plot a graph. What scale we will select? It is better to use a scale. 1 unit is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. So here let's start. So we will draw one vertical line, one horizontal line. So here in a graph, I draw vertical line that represents y-axis, horizontal line that represents x-axis. Here I represent the name of city, but for me only name of Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi and Jaipur is possible. You need to draw a graph for Jammu and Mumbai. Okay, તમારે ગ્રાફમાં જમ્મુ અને મુંબઈ સુધીનું ડ્રો કરવાનું છે. Now here I take scale 1 unit is equal to 5 degrees Celsius, means here 5 degrees Celsius and 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, here this box represent maximum, means this graph will represent maximum temperature and bar with the line will represent minimum temperature. Now let's draw a graph that is for Ahmedabad. Maximum temperature is 38 and minimum temperature is 29. So let's draw. After 35 you will take 36, 37, 38. So this is a graph for maximum temperature in Ahmedabad, and 29 that is minimum temperature, means it will be here. After 25 you need to take 4 lines. Now for Amritsar maximum temperature is 37 and minimum temperature is 26. So maximum temperature is 37. So after 35 take 2 lines. So that is maximum temperature 37 and minimum temperature is 26, means after 25 you need to take 1 line. So after 25 is here, take 1 line. Now next, Bangalore. In Bangalore maximum temperature is 28 and minimum temperature is 21. So maximum is 28. So after 25, 26, 27, 28 and minimum temperature is 21. So after 21 line, so this is minimum temperature of Bangalore. Now next, Chennai. For Chennai, maximum is 36 and minimum is 27. Maximum is 36. So after 35, take 1 line, draw with scale, and minimum temperature is 27. So after 25, take 2 lines. So it will be here. Now for Delhi, maximum is 38 and minimum is 28. So maximum is 38, means after 35 3 lines, 36, 37, 38. So this is the maximum temperature of Delhi and minimum is 28. So after 25 take 3 lines. So this is minimum temperature of Delhi. Now for Jaipur, maximum temperature is 39 and minimum is 29. So Jaipur maximum temperature is 39. So it will be here. And minimum temperature 29, that is here. You need to draw maximum and minimum temperature for Jammu and Mumbai. Okay, now we will observe this graph and answer the question. Now question number 1, which city has the largest difference of minimum and maximum temperature? So first of all we will find the difference of all city. So we will find the difference. 38 minus 29, that is 9. 37 minus 37 minus 26 is 11 degrees Celsius. Difference is Bangalore, that is 7 degrees Celsius difference. For 36 degrees Celsius and 7 degrees Celsius it is 9. Now 38 minus 28, 10 degrees Celsius. 39 minus 29, 10 degrees Celsius. 41 and 26 will give 15 degrees Celsius. And 32 minus 27 will give 5 degrees Celsius. So this is the difference in degrees Celsius of cities. Now which city has the largest difference in minimum and maximum temperature? Which difference is largest? You can see 15 degrees Celsius is the largest difference. So Jammu has largest difference of minimum and maximum temperature. Which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? So find the maximum temperature. You can see that the Jammu has maximum temperature, means it is a hottest city, and coldest means you need to find the lowest temperature in minimum. So it is Bangalore. So Jammu has is hottest and Bangalore is coldest city. Now next, name 2 cities where maximum temperature was less than the minimum temperature of other city. So here you need to find the pair of two city in which maximum temperature of one city will be less than the minimum temperature of other city. Now you can see Bangalore is the coldest city, so its temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. But here in Ahmedabad it is a minimum temperature is greater than the maximum temperature of Bangalore. Bangalore maximum temperature કેટલું છે? અમદાવાદના minimum temperature કરતા પણ ઓછું. That's why first pair is Ahmedabad and Bangalore, and second pair is, you can see Bangalore maximum temperature is also less than the minimum temperature of Jaipur. So second pair is Jaipur and Bangalore. Okay, now next, name the city which has least difference of minimum and maximum temperature. કયું city નો difference least છે? You can see that 5 degrees Celsius is of Mumbai. So Mumbai is the answer. Mumbai has least difference of minimum and maximum temperature.